Seeing the dreaded blue screen of death on your Windows PC? Yeah. It's scary when your system just crashes, showing a blue screen with codes and errors. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through step by step how to fix BSOD errors in 2026. First, when the blue screen appears, take note of the error code. It might say something like IRQL underscore not underscore less underscore or underscore EQUAL or system underscore service underscore exception. This helps identify the cause. Unplug any external devices, USB drives, printers, or peripherals. Sometimes hardware conflicts can cause a BSOD. Restart your PC and boot into safe mode. This loads only essential drivers, helping you troubleshoot without the system crashing. Go to Settings Arrow Update and Security Arrow Windows Update and install any pending updates. Updates often fix bugs that can cause BSOD errors. Outdated or faulty drivers are a common cause of blue screens. Open Device Manager and update drivers for critical hardware, graphics, network, and storage controllers first. Run a full antivirus scan to rule out malware. Then check your hard drive for errors using command prompt with hhkdsk/f/r. If BSOD persists, try System Restore to revert your PC to an earlier working state. Or, as a last resort, reset Windows while keeping your files. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes blue screen of death errors on Windows. Try them carefully and your system should run smoothly again.